that hike, okay?
Alright, well Ren, make sure you keep an eye on Rowan, okay?
We have to bring Rowan?
Okay, Mom.
Guys, come on! We're coming. Guys, come on, we're coming. Ren, I thought Mom told you to watch over Rowan.
Well, it doesn't really matter who's watching him, right? As long as someone makes sure he doesn't wander off.
I'm not gonna wander off just because I'm blind. Sheesh.
We're tired and we want to go back.
I never said that.
Look, let's go ahead, and if there aren't any spots to rest, we'll go back. Isn't this beautiful? Guys? Guys? Rowan? Alexis? Guys? Rowan? Alexis?
I'm telling you, we should have turned left back there.
Right, because the blind kid knows where to go.
We need to go back. I can hear her calling us.
I told you that I can't hear her. You're imagining things.
Just because I'm blind doesn't mean I'm useless. I can hear her. My hearing is better than yours. Why don't you think I can help?
I'm sorry. Where do you hear her?
Just tell me if you can spot a side trail to the left.
I'll try.
Come on. This is all my fault. I should have had their backs. Yeah, you should have.
Rowan? Alexis? How did you guys find me?
When you don't have one of your senses, you learn to pay attention more.
Rowan was able to hear you. He's the one that led us back.
Guys, I'm so sorry. I should have been there for you.
It's okay. Let's just focus on getting back.
How about you guys lead? I'll take up the rear.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. She was looking kinda dumb with her finger and her thumb in the shape of an L on her forehead. Well, the years start coming and they don't stop coming. Fed to the rules and I hit the ground running. Doesn't make sense not to live for fun. Your brain gets smart but your head gets dumb. So much to do, so much to see. So what's wrong with taking the back streets? You'll never know if you don't go. You'll never shine if you don't glow.